back to the channel, man. It's your boy King's Life checking in with a new video, man. Appreciate all the love and support that y'all give me, man. Today's video is gonna be about the truck, man. We finally finished the dashboard, man. We got it all locked and loaded inside the truck, man. So what I'm about to do right now, I'm about to show y'all how it looks, and then we're gonna go and take a little ride, man, so y'all can get the inside look, and then yeah, we're gonna go from there. So y'all, like I said, man, y'all, I appreciate y'all, and make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, stopping into the channel. Make sure you share the videos, that way my videos can be pushed more out. I am out of breath because, as you guys can see on the first little clip that I was running, I'm trying to lose some weight. So yeah, let's get in the truck. All right, guys, so I did get a new battery for this thing because the old battery was pretty much shot. And this truck did not turn on, and yeah, this battery was completely dead. So yeah, let me just show y'all how it looks inside right now, man. So as you guys can see, I have a 2012 Chevy Cruise dashboard in here. Now I did a lot of modifications to get this thing in here to make it fit the way I want it to fit, guys. And as you can see, as you can tell, some of the pieces still not on, like, attached 100%, because if I do that, then some of the stuff is just gonna like pop on out. So I got it to where I have it you know, pretty decent. I like it the way it is, so we're gonna go with that, guys, and leave it alone. So the second thing that I do have to do to this truck, guys, is get the radio. I do have to get the radio hooked up, so we're gonna do that on the next video, so y'all stay tuned for that. And also, guys, I want to let y'all know that this cluster do not work. I will be showing you the new process of how I'm gonna have my gauges hooked up and everything. Is gonna be running on a tablet, a 10.1 inch tablet, and it's gonna be nice, guys. I'm telling y'all, it's gonna be dope. And I also have some tweeter speakers that's gonna be going right here. That's why you guys can see the wire hanging out there. And also I will be gluing this back down. Well, we have the dashboard door right here. I won't be opening that up. We got the sunroof on the top, guys. That's working pretty good. We got the glove box in. That was really tough for me to get that in, guys. I had to do a lot of modifications on that. But yeah, guys, so far, man, I love the way everything turned out pretty good. I like it, guys. For me to tell you guys, if y'all are doing this, man, it's going to be a lot of custom work to this type of stuff, guys. You just got to stay in it and keep on staying motivated. And you know, hey, if you mess up, it is what it is, man. Just keep on rolling, keep on trucking, man. But yeah, so far, guys, we're finna go ahead and get the first start up on this truck, since I did put the new battery in, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and start this truck up so we can get up on the road, man. I'll get back with y'all. All right, guys, so we're about to get up on this road, man, and so you guys can see how the dashboard look and how the trunk runs, man. I know I haven't drove this truck in a while, so we're about to go get a little drive in real quick, you know, get y'all some driving footage, and then we're gonna go ahead and come back to the house, man, so we can talk about all the details that I had to go through to put this in here, man. So let's get it, let's go, y'all. Y'all, so I'm not gonna go too far, guys, because I have not put any oil in here, so we won't be going that far, guys. But I can tell you one thing, man, it does feel good to drive this truck all over again, man. Y'all can hear the pops right there. Them pops sound so good, man. Yeah, man, this is hey, this is something that I wanted to do for the longest, man. I was just a little scared to do it, man, because I wasn't sure if it was gonna work out right, guys. So if y'all are planning to do something to your vehicle that's custom, hey, man, I would say just go ahead and do it, guys, because hey, you never know what's gonna happen, man. Yeah, guys, so everything is going pretty good right now. Like I said, I do have to drive the truck for a while. The truck has been sitting for the longest, guys, so we just got to work out all the, you know what I'm saying, spider webs that's in the gas tank and everything. But man, so far she's doing pretty good, and I'm loving it, man. Yeah, just drop your comments, man. I want to know what you guys think about the new dashboard, man. Give y'all some exhaust notes, man. Yeah, I ain't drove this thing in a while, man. It sure do feel good to drive it. Let me give y'all some pops. Give y'all some pops, man. Yeah, there we go. But I'm telling you guys, man, when I get this radio hooked up, man, it's gonna be nice, man. It's gonna have the navigation. It's gonna have the screen mirror on there. Whatever you do, pretty much whatever you do to your phone, it's gonna show up on that display right there, guys. So that's gonna be lit. It's gonna be nice, man. But yeah, man, we're just gonna drive a little bit, man. Try to air out the system a little bit. Y'all hear them pops, man. Yeah, man, so far she doing good, man. We're gonna go ahead and turn on this road right here. And like I said, we're not gonna go too far, guys, because I have to put antifreeze in here and oil. I did not have that much oil in here, so we're not gonna go too far, man. Uh-oh. Yeah, them pops is crazy on here, man. But yeah, man, like I said, once we get that hooked up, man, this system gonna be nice, man. I also have some new tweeters that I will be installing in this truck, man. I have some Alpine tweeters, good quality, sounds great, man. I already looked at the reviews and everything, guys, so yeah, it's gonna be nice, man. So I can't wait to install them. I don't know what's going on here, but we definitely need to get past this truck. And you know what's crazy, guys? I'm getting more pops than I was before. Y'all hear it? This thing sounds crazy, man. I love it, man. I'm telling you, I can't wait to put this thing on the road, man. It's gonna be fun. But yeah, guys. Oh man, that is a nice house right there. Look at that, guys. That look like a mini mansion right there, man. Mini mansion, man. Work hard, believe in yourself, man. You can't achieve anything that you want to do in life. Just put your mind to it and work hard, man. You'll get it done. I'm telling you. But man, it is a beautiful day out here, man. We got the sunroof back. It is looking so beautiful, guys. That's a nice little house right there. It's a nice day out, man. Like I said, I wanted to get you guys this video because it is a beautiful day today, and I wanted to take advantage of it. So but yeah, man, I'm not gonna rabble too long, guys. When we get back to the house, I will be doing some B-roll, so y'all just stay tuned, man. I appreciate y'all. Love you guys, and make sure you hit that like button, man. It means a lot to me. So yeah, let's get to the house.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
All right, guys, so we done made it back home, man. So yeah, you see the B-roll, guys. Like I said, man, for you to do something like this, first I want to let you guys know the cost of doing something like this. Now, the dashboard alone, guys, costed me 300 bucks from the junkyard. So about 300 bucks to buy the dash, and all of these pieces pretty much came with it. So it came with these, it came with this piece down here, also come with the AC vents, it came with the glove box. Now I wasn't supposed to got all of that, guys, but the guy, he was you know, he was cool enough to give me that stuff, and he also gave me the cluster as well. So yeah, man, what I did so far, I know you guys gonna ask me, how did I hook up my headlights? So what I did was, as you can see down here, guys, there's a hole right here already for the fuse door cover. So I pretty much used my old original headlight switch, and I went on ahead and installed it inside that hole, and I put 2 screws on each side, and that way I can have my headlights. Now I do have to find a shop, guys, that can professionally hook up my headlight switches. As you guys can see here, I have the switch here, so I do want to get this hooked up. And like I said, man, if I can get this cluster hooked up as well, I can just go off of this. But for now, I will be using that 10-inch tablet for my gauges, and I also will be ordering a gauge pillar. That way I can have the fuel, the coolant, and the oil temp. So we will be having that as well, and that's gonna be pretty dope because it's gonna be like a red LED lights, and it's gonna lit up at night and all that, guys. So it's gonna look pretty dope. And so I can't wait to get this on, guys. I will be getting this hooked up on Wednesday morning, so I will be filming that as well. That's gonna be pretty dope. And I also have some red LED lights coming as well, man, because I want this sucker to be lit up at night. So but yeah, man, like I said, man, y'all drop a comment down below, man. Let me know what y'all think about this new dashboard. This is a first one in the world that's done like this. Man, it's badass, man. I ain't gonna lie. Now, there's some things that I don't like, man, that I will have to get redone, which is these deals here. I did this a long time ago, guys. As you can see, it's got dirt and stuff there. But let me show y'all the fitment of everything, man, because I want to show y'all all the trouble that I had to go through. Now, as you guys can see, I did put some screws in here, and all of this stuff went together pretty good, except for this part here. So I did close it in as much as I could, but you know, it was kind of hard, guys. I didn't want to break the plastic and everything, so I just got it close enough to where it's gonna look pretty decent when I open up the door. So it's not a big deal. Also, it looks just like this on the other side as well. So but yeah, guys, I mean, you do a job like this, it's all custom. It's not gonna be a direct fit. You will be playing around with everything, tweaking everything to get everything right. So don't just you know, look at the dashboard and think everything is gonna go in right, and it's not, guys. You got to work everything in, and it will go in. You know, you just got to work it and take your time at it. But I will be taking these door panels off, guys. As you guys can see, the paint is chipping off, and I will be repainting this stuff. So y'all just stay tuned for all the videos, man. I got more videos coming. I will be painting this truck as well. The truck will be black, a gloss black. As you guys can see, I got this rust hole here. I have to fix that, and man, we're gonna be good to go, man. So y'all just stick around, man, for the videos, man. I appreciate all of your love and support, guys. Just like that, man. This is King's Lights checking out with another video, man. I'm out. Peace.